Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that inflation rises 7% over the past year, and this is the highest since 1982. So since that, we haven't seen such a big number. So, well, there are issues. Okay, the second thing I would like to talk about, that Solana could beat out Ethereum to become the Visa of crypto. This is what Bank of America is saying. And the third news, talking about Visa, they made a survey, and according to the survey, 24% of small and medium businesses plan to accept crypto payments in 2022. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, the only thing you have to do, click on the subscribe button, bell button, and then all. That's it. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Check out the links under this video, many useful one. For instance, when you sign up to several great centralized exchanges, you can get a nice discount. And also, there's a free course, how to start investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Okay, when we're looking at the market, we can see that Bitcoin is still up in the last 24 hours, actually 2.5% up, 43,652. This is where we're holding, it's holding itself right now. Ethereum, 3,342, almost 4% up. Actually, after those negative, oh man, since yesterday, this thing here is messed up, and not just looking at the top 100. I have to look at it carefully. Something went wrong. By the way, Bitcoin dominance is right now almost 40%, and Ethereum dominance is 19%. Yes, because this is not relevant having here all the cryptocurrencies listed. And before, it was really just when I clicked here on 24, and it showed the top 100, but this is just not interesting. Okay, never mind. Let's move on. When we're looking at this chart, we can see here a rising wedge, maybe kind of channel, a rising wedge somewhere between. When we're looking at actually now very close to the hourly one, because we would like to see which direction Bitcoin is right now going. If it would be like called the rising wedge, then this actually is a bearish pattern. But now, if you're looking at it, then we can see that it is holding it right now. We'll see, are we still going up here and then break out, or we go up and then down? Well, we will see, because depends how much the power is in this increase. It could be a fake out, you know. We broke this trend line here, which I drew here, and this is good. And then now we can use it as a support. But yeah, everybody is now watching Bitcoin, because the topic I'm going to talk about, that the inflation rate is 7%. This is the reason why share prices did started to go up, because this is what they expected, basically. So it wasn't bigger than that. And talk about this. Okay, let's move on and talk about this first news. So here we go. Well, so first thing I would like to talk about is the news which came out yesterday, but when I made the video, it was not out yet. So this is the thing. This is the time I can cover it right now. So basically, inflation rises 7% over the past year. This is the highest in the last 40 years since 1982. So the consumer price index rose 7% in December from the year earlier, because, you know, these data's now from December. Now it came out in the middle of January. This is, you know, the fastest pace since 1982. Excluding food and energy, so-called core CPI, actually it was up 5.5 on the year, the biggest growth since February 1991. So even if you take out these food and energy, it's still something which we haven't seen for a while. And look, here you can see the consumer price index percentage change from a year ago. And look, it's crazy as it's going up. You know, it was pretty big back in 1980. Look at this, 15%. So this is major. And here somewhere at 82, this is the last time we have seen it on this level. And since then, you know, we had ups and downs. We were even in negative back here in 2009. But now we're going up, and you don't know what would be the next level, because easily in the next month, bigger and bigger numbers can come out. And this is the big thing. This is mainly the reason why many people invest in Bitcoin, hedge against inflation. For instance, used vehicles prices, which have been a major component of the inflation increase during the COVID pandemic due to supply chain construction that have limited new vehicle production, rose another 3.5% in December, bringing the increase from a year ago, guess what, 37.3% for used vehicles. Then, conversely, energy price most declined for the month, falling 0.4%, fuel oil and down 2.4%, and gasoline fell 0.5%. Still, the complex as a whole rose 29.3% in the 12-month period. So when we're looking at the big picture, the 1 year is still 29.3%, including a gain of gasoline itself, which is 49.6% in 12 months. So guys, when you look at fuel prices, when you get, you know, second-hand vehicles, crazy the increase what we have. And yeah, even food prices. And this is the big problem, right? So the problem is inflation, and we need something against inflation. Gold last year went down 7%. The year-to-date data for 2021. It's not the hedge against inflation right now. And Bitcoin could be one of the solution, not financial advice, just think about it. And this is the reason why more and more people believe, okay, they should put some money into Bitcoin. Not all in, not the whole portfolio, but do something about it. Okay, let's move on to the next news. And the next thing is all about that Solana could beat out Ethereum to become the Visa of crypto. This is what Bank of America is saying. Well, Solana definitely has fast transaction speed because 65,000 transactions per second. When we're looking at Ethereum, on the other hand, it has right now 15, and Vitalik Buterin has promised actually when Ethereum 2.0 is finished, it will have 100,000. But we're not there yet. And well, there we have here Bank of America and its analyst and saying that Solana could become the Visa at the digital asset ecosystem. Bank of America Global Crypto and Digital Asset Strategist Alkesh Shah wrote in research. He cited that more than 400 decentralized applications on Solana's network, which host everything from peer-to-peer exchange to NFT marketplace. Ethereum, meanwhile, could become the blockchain for high-value transactions and identities, storage, and supply chain use cases, he wrote. And the reason it was a comparison to the Visa, because Visa is theoretically can handle 24,000 transactions per second, but in average it does 1,700. And as I said, Ethereum just 15, so it's not a lot. Solana, on the other end, 65,000, which is big. Also, Solana prioritizes scalability, as you can see, because that's why they can do so many, but relatively less decentralized and secure blockchain. Just think about in a couple of months, Solana was down in 4 times. So actually, well, they're really racing here to become here the fastest. On the other end, there we have Avalanche arguing that the latest attempt to find a middle ground, so between Ethereum level security and Solana level speed could make it the best blockchain for decentralized finance and enterprises. So even Avalanche can come into the game. So very, very interesting developments here in layer 1. Solana is definitely one of the big players. Then we have Avalanche, but don't forget, we have still Cosmos, Phantom is coming up. We have Polkadot, we have Cardano. So layer 1s are definitely were hot back in 2021 and still improving very well in 2022, even that we are just at the beginning of the year. And what others, for example, Bank of America points out that, yes, there are networks which are performing better than Ethereum. However, Ethereum is the one which is the most well-known, the most addresses. Ethereum has the majority of DeFi, and the NFT marketplace is on Ethereum. And it's developing because Ethereum 2.0 will come out. We're going to have the merge this year some point. And a lot of things are coming for Ethereum. So Ethereum, I think, looking strong, but definitely there are other layer 1s which trying to catch up. And Solana with the high transaction speed. But the problem is here a little bit the security of the network, and also it is not that stable as it was done 4 times in a couple of months. So we need a lot of development in this new layer 1s, even Ethereum itself. But I'm very, very curious how in a couple of years it will look like, which will be the winner, or how the competition basically will look like. Okay, guys, that's it about this. And now let's move on to the third topic. Well, talking about Visa, they made a survey. And according to the survey, small and medium businesses, 24% of them are going to accept crypto payments in this year. Well, Visa made a survey, and the result is quite interesting. That the quarter of the people they asked, businesses, basically, small and medium businesses, they're planning to accept crypto payments, 24%. So almost 1 out of 4 small and middle-sized businesses that participated in the survey by Visa said that they are planning to accept payments in crypto like Bitcoin. In the same study, 73% of respondents stated that accepting a new form of digital payment options is a key factor that will affect business growth in 2022. So definitely going in a digital direction. 2,250 small business owners located in 9 countries, including the UAE, Hong Kong, the United States, Canada, participated in the study. Among these respondents, 82% said they plan to implement a form of digital payment option in 2022. So everybody is going digital, and 24% of them saying they're going to accept crypto payments like Bitcoin. And this is massive, because if this is representative, and then we're looking at the 24%, and this we're talking about 2022. So guess what? If these guys going to do it, more people willing to do it after that. It's getting more and more mainstream, and then sooner or later, everybody has to do it because there is a need for it, and this is the way we're going. So crypto is improving very, very fast. Now there's a chill. Always when there are some banks, they saying that, well, okay, there are some issues. This is the time when they're collecting, they push down the price, and then it was always like this. They come out with something when they have collected enough. So yeah, don't be tricked. You have to see what's happening behind the scenes. Right, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to get this daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. And I'm coming back tomorrow with the freshest, so have a good one. Bye-bye.